My name is Philip Oldridge and I am the President and CEO of Green Power Motor Company. I'd like to take a couple of moments to introduce to you our brand new and all new EV350 electric powered bus. If you don't mind having a little walk with me around the outside here, as we walk by the front, I'll show you a little bit about the bus, tell you a little bit about the features of the bus, and explain to you how it is we came to have this bus. As you can see, this is the front end of the bus right here. We have a standard split windshield. The bus is a fully monocoque design with a 100% stainless steel chassis with fiberglass and carbon composite components. As we walk down the left-hand side of the vehicle, I'd like to show you the main driving systems of the bus. The bus is, as I told you, an EV bus, which means it's an electric vehicle, and it is powered by 320 kilowatts of batteries. And the batteries you'll see are strategically located and positioned around the bus as we walk around. There is a total of 12 battery packs altogether with an average of 525 amp hours per battery pack. As we make our way towards the back of the bus here now, traditionally in the engine compartment, this is where you would see the engine, the transmission, and a number of other components that you would see in the standard bus. In our particular case, well, we have no engine and we have no transmission. So we have a lot of high-tech electrical components and two rather large electric drive motors that are affixed to an axle just up ahead. The large compressor you see at the back here is an air compressor that's electrically driven and operates the entire pneumatic system on the bus. You'll notice as we walk around, all of the lights are LED and low impact. Continuing along here, the smaller set of batteries that you see are what runs or operates our low voltage system, which is a 24 volt system. And then as we continue down the bus, again, of course, we make our way past all the high voltage battery packs, making our way up to, of course, the front of the bus. This is the last set of high voltage battery packs that you see on the outside of the bus. And I'll just close those up as we go, and we're going to make our way into the interior of the bus so you can see the layout and the passenger layout and what it is we have to offer. Thank you. So one of the first areas I'd like to point out to you is the cockpit or driver's area of the bus. Yeah, okay, let's put one foot down here like this right down here. Get her to twist a little bit so her foot's on the floor. Have a good look in here. You'll see that it's looks fairly standard or fairly normal compared to most transit buses. The display system and operating system is a Parker Hannafin system, and as I had mentioned earlier today, that we are an OEM builder and we do use existing componentry from North America. As we make our way down the inside of the bus here, I'd like to point out to you as we walk along that on both the left and right hand sides of the bus we do have wheelchair areas or handicapped accessible areas so that we can strap down or connect down two wheelchairs at any time. In the event that we don't have wheelchair passengers or handicapped passengers on board, we do have folding down seating on either side to accommodate 6 additional passengers. You'll notice our grab rails as we work our way along. I'd like to point out that the bus itself is and does have low LED lighting throughout the bus, all the way down, low voltage and low impact. As we make our way down, you'll notice that the seating itself is Fainza seating. We have a second passenger disembark and embarking area. And we make our way along here and bring you towards the back of the bus. The total seating capacity of the bus is 33 passengers plus 1. Anyway, I hope that gives you a good idea or a really quick idea of what the bus looks like. We do have digital readout signs. If you turn and we pan towards the front of the bus, if you take a look, we do have digital readout passenger signs and destination signs that are located at the top of the bus just up there, and unfortunately they're not turned on right now, but we will get them turned on in a second as we take a ride. And there is also a passenger safety and video system throughout the vehicle so that the entire bus is monitored by an 8-camera system both on the outside and on the inside for passenger safety and for road safety. Well, I hope you enjoyed our very quick tour. Thank you very much. Signing off, Philip Oldridge, Green Power Motor Company. Back at the bus again, and we took a short break because it's really hot here today in Charmin. But anyway, what I'd like to do now is have you step on board the bus. We have a few passengers with us, and we're going to go take the bus for a little ride. So why don't we step on board and we'll go for a ride today. Here's some of our passengers that are with us now. Everybody say hello, everybody. Hi. All right, perfect. Okay then. So now that we're on board, let's just take ourselves for a little ride and show you what this can do. The one great thing about electric buses is you have 100% torque all the time at any RPM. So the acceleration in the bus is really, really exciting. Of course, it can go from 0 to 80 or 0 to 90 kilometers very, very quickly, but we can adjust that to the needs or the specific needs of any one transit agency. Okay, anyway, you can see that we're heading down the road here. Well, let's just try out our acceleration today. It's a beautiful day and a great day for a ride. Why don't we ask everybody back there what they think?
You want me to ask them?
Yeah, let's ask everybody back there what do they think of the ride.
Hey, how's the ride?
Great, great. Good. Quiet. Okay, we're just going to go down here just a little ways further and we'll make a turnaround and we'll make our way back over to the factory, and just wanted to show you what the bus was all about and how it accelerates. It's a great bus. It's super quiet. Its acceleration is incredible.
Very quiet.
Okay, just cut that film there for a minute now, Peter.